to show you funny video. Just watch it together. It's so funny. It's called Oh Brother.
What is that?
I think he smoked her to serve us.
I think we can turn the dry leaf as into something more useful.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Well, what do you want to make?
I think I have an idea.
What is that?
Come on.
Wow, that's a good idea. What if we try it?
Okay,
Let's go.
let's go.
Go inovative, go global, go vlogging.
Hey, what's up? My name is Akhmad Setiawan.
And my name is Andini Putri, and we are from
SMKN
XII Grati. So now we will show you a video that is currently extraordinary, cool, innovative, and most importantly, environmentally friendly.
So, today we will show you something to amaze you. We're going to reduce leaf waste through briquette. Briquette is a substitute for charcoal made from dried leaf waste, which is processed and compacted.
The advantage of briquettes over other charcoal is that the flame lasts longer and is more stable. It also can affect the scent and the taste in cooking. It's economical and can also reduce leaf litter.
So, without taking too long,
Check this out!
Tools used tin as incinerator, basin, pestle, mold, spoon. Materials: warm water stored in a thermos to keep it warm, starch, dry leaf, used cooking oil.
Collect dry leaf litter and burn to charcoal. Mash the charcoal with pestle. Mix starch solution with warm water to form starch glue. Mix the measured charcoal with starch mixture. Brush the mold with used cooking oil so that the briquettes are easily removed from the mold. Put the mixture into the mold. Press the dough in the mold until solid. Remove from the mold. Dry it under the sun to dry. After the briquette is dry, ready to use for family barbecues and other needs.
So that's all from us. If you want to try it at home, don't forget about your safety. Please keep our environment clean.
Please support us. Don't forget to like
Comment and subscribe.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Tekad menuju asa di SMK Negeri 1 Grati yang bersinar terang di dunia, membangun jiwa wirausaha berakhlak mulia, berkarya berdaya guna untuk negara dengan ridha Tuhan Yang Esa. Selalu jaga dan merawat lingkungan, sekolah bersih sejuk dan